Goddag!
Hej.
Jamen,
Jeg har ting i verden her!
inden du lægger til. Kom nu.
Jeg kan ikke, når jeg griner. Jeg kan ikke lave tricket, når jeg griner. Jeg har prøvet, når jeg griner, men jeg kan ikke, når jeg griner.
Hej!
Fordi jeg kan ikke, når jeg griner.
Hej og velkommen til showet.
Show.
I dag, der skal vi
Tale om sugerør.
og se tryllekunstner. Med vores nye gæstestjerner.
Hvor er tryllekunstner? Hvornår kommer han?
Det var den, du var med ødelægge.
Karl og
Snøvs.
Snøvs. Ja,
Det var en god joke, vi fik sidste uge, var?
Ja.
Og vi skal høre nogle jokes.
Ja, vi skal høre nogle jokes. Hvad var det, du sagde? Jeg kan ikke huske.
Nå, den med, ikke?
Den med,
Ja.
den...
Den med grønne. Jamen, der er sådan en alien, der kommer ned i jorden.
Ja!
Ja, så skal den alien skal så være...
Jeg har en god joke.
Min garter... Nej, jeg er først.
Ja, vi er klar igen.
Skal vi lave reklamer lige? 2 sekunder.
Ja, vi laver lige reklamer. X-Man. Nej, der kommer...
Nej, jeg vil lave den der, hvor jeg med Karsten. Usynlig noget. Nål, ikke? Karsten. Usynlig snor.
Det skal vi have, det er så sjovt.
Okay.
Okay, fair nok. You have to be serious.
Okay.
Skal jeg stoppe den og tage en ny en?
No.
Okay.
We do just fine.
Du kan sidde og se i spejlet, hvor dumt det ser ud, ikke? Oh my god, come on.
Højle.
Her er et nyt medlem.
Yes, Leo. Er min bedste friend.
This is mine bøjle.
Nakketræk.
This is mine sugerør. You can use them for sugerør. I have to smooth those ud.
Ja, men er der så reklamer eller hvad nu?
Ja.
Ja.
Kom på hende.
Peace.
Beautiful bounces. Teddy bears. So you not
Er det tysk?
Have
Nej,
to-
det er engelsk.
so you not have to eat your children like I did in my last life.
En...
It's cool, y'all.
It's not so.
Buy this ring in some land. Stop.
You can lean it down here.
Yes,
And take out the weird stuff in.
you can have your
Body lotion.
body lotion
Yeah,
in.
And your iPod Touch.
And
By
your
now. It's
weird things.
You can have some
Turn.
clothes.
In stores now. Gary Coleman hot plates.
Yeah. Here we go, right? Fuck. Let's not do this.
With the gangster. We listen to 50 Cent, The Game, yo, Eminem, yo, and others, yo. Come
Do you not?
Do you not? What?
Lil Wayne, we love you.
And we got nothing else to
Let's
do.
make a rap.
Yo.
Yo, yo,
Yo, oh,
yo.
do you not?
Do you not?
Lil Wayne,
Lollipop, la.
Emily,
Lollipop.
nigga, yay, nah.
Getting
Yeah,
low,
yeah,
low.
Low. No. Og Sammy Deluxe.
Ja.
Ich liebe dich.
Well. Yo, we are also a fan of Al Qaeda. Jihad. Give me some bombs. Bombs. Give me some bombs. Oh, that's a bomb. You know what? This has bombs in it. Bombs. You hear it ticking? Click, 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 click. Oh my God! Jihad! Jihad! Oh! That was powerful.
What happened to you?
Oh my God, he snapped.
I think.
Oh my God, I have no hat.
You have to be more careful out there.
You know, I'm
It
gangster.
hit me
It didn't
away.
hurt. It didn't hurt.
Gangster. I'm gangster gay.
I'm Gangster J.
I'm gangster. Gay, gangster J, og gangster.
I'm a gangster.
Hey!
And I'm a gangster who owns a base.
Okay, sit down here, Gangster Way. You are
Gangster gay.
Gangster J.
Gangster Ray. Now I'm a packer. I'm a packer.
Turkish.
I'm
I'm
gay.
I'm German. Ich liebe dich, Sammy.
I am duking on my brothers. There is a fog in me. It's a frog. To fog. A fog. What?
What?
Rhymes.
I don't understand.
Sometimes it rhymes over there somewhere. Flow, bro, yo, you know, oh, no. That was a goody one. Do you have a rhyme? Crazy A.
Crazy A?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, got it! As a gangster, you also learn Chinese. You know Chinese rap.
Rap.
And we
You know what that
also
means?
learn
Rap, crap.
India.
Yeah.
We learn to speak English in India way.
Yeah.
way.
You know, yo, tattoos.
Yo.
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 You see, I have a tattoo here.
Yo.
I have also here, but I
Do you see it?
I have.
Oh, I also have here, but we had to quit. It took too long time. Cause I'm so strong and it's so big.
I was space.
We also get to learn dansk.
Ja. Hør hvor god jeg er til dansk.
Men we are ikke danskere.
No.
We are Americans.
Exactly.
That is nemlig rigtigt.
Yeah.
Howdy.
Hold Portmore.
You know what? I learned also that there's two countries in Denmark. There is
It's a cold
No,
country.
that's Jylland og Fyn og Sjælland.
Oh my God, are we going home?
Alright.
Are we going to the crib? The
See ya. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.